guys, it's T. Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I know that it's been a while since I created some new YouTube content, but I am here and I'm here to stay. So if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It is greatly appreciated. And I'm pretty sure that you will love my content, especially if you're into hair, beauty, and makeup and everything hair, beauty, and makeup. So for today's video, I am doing a review on a wig from Yasterd. Yasterd reached out to me and wanted me to review their product, and I was so happy to do so. Like, you guys know I love my wigs and I keep it 100 in all my reviews, so you don't have to worry. I will give you the tea. And I will also link their website information down below in the description box. This is the box that it came in, and I like it. The gold, it just stands out so well. I extremely love it. It's lightweight, but I mean, it is like hard and sturdy. Their website is listed here. So we're gonna open this together. This is my first time viewing this wig in person. So it is packaged extremely neat. The wig is in a hairnet. There are some other little things in here. I'm going to take everything out of the box so you guys can see all the goodies that are in there. So I'm going to take the wig out first. So this is a bob wig, ombre platinum blonde. And I've never had platinum blonde in my life, so this is first. So the wig is wrapped in a hairnet, and I love when they do this because during the shipping process, if it's not in a hairnet, it can be a hot mess, and the hairnet, it just keeps everything in place. So this is a lace front wig. I'm gonna take it out here. Lace front, all the way around the front. So just looking at the construction, it looks really good, like super good. The parting space isn't extremely large. I would say there's about like a 2 to 2.5 inch parting space right in the center, so you can do a center part. I really like the color of the lace. It is extremely like transparent, and I really like that. So it definitely blends in. And here's an up close of the construction of the wig. And like I mentioned, it's really nice. I love the adjustable straps, and you can clip it here to adjust how tight or loose you want the wig to fit on your head. There are 3 combs. 2 on the sides and 1 in the center. We are securing wigs for life, y'all. Seriously. And it comes with a tag. So this is light brown synthetic hair, 12 inches. So let's talk about the texture of this hair. I've never worn a synthetic wig before, so it is really soft, like super soft. My fingers are gliding through. Feels amazing, like really, really amazing. It does have high luster, and that's expected with synthetic hair, but it does look really natural, like extremely natural. I'm gonna put this wig on my mannequin head so that way we can see how it looks, you know, on like a head or whatever, just so we can see how everything falls in place. And then while I am doing that, we're gonna skip and look at all the goodies that were in the box. There's a thank you card. This is so amazing. And you know, if you have any questions, to contact us with the contact information. This is so cute, like so freaking cute. And the reason why I say this is because you don't see this a lot, especially in like packaging where they actually tell you, hey, thank you for, you know, purchasing our product. And there's also a card in here in case you need to return or exchange anything, so you would just fill out the back part and ship it back. Get the out of here. I was like sitting here like, what the heck is this? Wig caps. This is everything. Like, I have not gotten a wig and the wig caps came in there. So wig cap, and these are the ones that I like because like my complexion, it just goes so good. And then there's also the net. Some people prefer wearing the nets over the stocking caps. So this is great. I really, really like how everything was packaged with this wig. Like, I like it a lot. And like, the wig caps are the icing on the cake. Now let's take a look at the wig on the mannequin head. Okay. Here she is, looking like a bag of money. So, yes, look at this bounce. Just look at it. It looks so good. Like, it's the perfect cut. Bob. So it says I have not plucked or done anything to the hairline yet, so yes, it does need some plucking. But it's such good quality. I am really loving this wig. Like, I just can't stop rubbing my hands through it. It's just so soft. And guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe. I will be doing a follow-up video where I will try this wig on. I will cut the lace, the whole shebang. What do you call it? You know, pluck the hairline, all that good stuff. So look out for that. I appreciate you guys coming through and keeping up with me and all of my hair, beauty, teamery stuff that I have going on. You guys are amazing, and you guys definitely keep me going. And thank you so much for all the positive feedback that you guys give me. You guys are just amazing inside and out. So thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.